Best OBS settings for TikTok vertical videos. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how you can make the TikTok videos on OBS Studio. For this, you will have to open up your OBS Studio, and after that open up the settings of your studio, and there make sure that you are in the video settings, and under that you should be able to change the resolution. It is quite important for the vertical videos, and make sure that you have 9:16 aspect ratio, or if it is in pixels then 1080 by 1920. So this would be the resolution for your vertical videos on TikTok, and make sure that your common FPS is 60, and this should be the minimum requirement in order to create better videos or the compatible videos for TikTok. Other settings should be kept at default, and it should be working quite fine. So this is how easy it is to create TikTok videos on OBS Studio. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.